nothing holding me back.
Hello you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a review on the new Stilla Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. Now this is a new product that I've been super excited to try. I've seen many YouTubers give this a try, so I wanted to go ahead and try it out for myself. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a like and also don't forget to subscribe down below. Let's get started. So first thing, this retails for $24, which is a bit hefty, but it's so beautiful and I really hope it works out. So in here it comes with 0.153 point fluid ounces and 4.5 milliliters. So I got the shade Kitten Karma and I'm super excited to try this out. As you can see, the outside packaging is a reflective gold and Kitten Karma is kind of like a rose gold champagne, so I'm so stoked to give it a try. Let's go ahead and open it up. Then in here, pop it out. And here it is. So here's what the packaging looks like. It's so elegant and beautiful and I love it so much. There's a nice not rose gold. There's a nice plastic gold top, and then as you can see the shade in there with Stilla on it. And then there's also the shade name right on the bottom right here, and as you can see, this is Kitten Karma. And then you just have the Magnificent Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow and then the milliliters. So right when you open it up, it has a doe foot applicator. Super pretty, and as you can see, it's completely coated with shadow, which is amazing. And it's kind of like a square doe foot applicator. There's a thin side right here where it's kind of thin. We can maybe apply like a glitter liner, and then there's the completely flat side to apply all over. So as you guys can see, my eyes are completely bare today, except for my Charlotte Toasted eyeshadow on right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this baby on my lid, and I'll let you guys know what I think. So let me go ahead and zoom you guys in. But here we go. So one second, let me just show you guys a nice swatch of this because this is so beautiful. I love it. Ready? It's so blinding. Look at that. Isn't that just stunning? Okay, so let's go ahead and apply. Ooh. So right off the bat, it isn't too like chalky, I guess. It's very wet. It's quite wet and thick, but it's very easy to use, and the doe foot applicator is like so helpful. So let's go ahead and put it on the other eye. So as you guys can see, it looks stunning on the eyes, but like any glitter eyeshadow, I'm just going to go ahead and buff it out so it blends seamlessly with my other shadows. So the claims for this product are that it is long wearing, which I definitely agree with. There's no fallout and there is intense pigment, which as you can see, it is very pigmented. And on my lash line, there is no fallout whatsoever, and there is no fallout under my cheeks, as well. So that is great right off the bat. So I'm gonna go ahead and wear this for a couple of hours, but really quickly before I go, I'm just gonna apply 2 coats of my Lights Camera Lashes mascara, and I'll be sure to check in with you guys soon. See you guys. It has been a couple of hours. It is about 3 o'clock right now, but as you can see, this eyeshadow still looks stunning. It's stunning, I tell you. It is so intensely pigmented. It's amazing, and it doesn't feel chalky, which is crazy since there's a bunch of glitter in here, which gives you that intense shine. It doesn't feel chalky at all, and when it dries down, it doesn't dry down matte, but it doesn't necessarily dry down into like a chalky way. Like I can rub my finger in here, and nothing comes off. Like, wow, it works amazing. It is so easy to apply. I love it. It doesn't feel gritty on my eyes, except for when you rub them like really hard, then some will come out. As you can see, some did come off my finger right there, but that is just from when you rub your eyes, that will happen. But just one thing that I recommend for this is just try not to rub your eyes too much, and also you have to let this dry before you blend it out, or else it will mess up and the pigment will kind of, I guess, go away. But once it dries, you can blend it out, do anything with it. It works so good. I definitely recommend this little guy. She is so pigmented. Oh, she's amazing. The doe foot applicator is amazing. The packaging is amazing. It doesn't feel gritty, not wet anymore. So, really good. Hey, Kenzie.
Hello. Are you gonna cut me out of this part?
Yeah.
Oh. Huh. I want to try this.
So it dries down pretty matte. It's not 100% matte. It's kind of like a semi-matte, but it's not gritty. It's highly pigmented. It lasts for a very long time. It pairs well with anything. You can get this at Ulta or Sephora, and there's also 2 exclusive shades on stilla.com, so make sure to check this out. Again, this bad boy retails for $24, which is a bit expensive, but for this pigment and payoff, I definitely recommend it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to like and also comment down below what you think of the Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow by Stila. I personally think that it's amazing, and I definitely recommend it. Let me know if you guys want to try liquid eyeshadow and what your favorite type of look is. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel for more videos, and also tell me what you guys want to see. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and have a great day. Bye, guys! So pigmented.
There's nothing holding me